south of Tucson, where the tumbleweeds tumble in search of a home. There's a town they call Tombstone, where the brave never cry. They live by a six-gun, by a six-gun they die. It's been a long time now since the town was a boom. The jailhouse is empty.
Sheriff, I'm glad it's you.
So's the palace saloon.
The Yell Rail gang's back in town. Since you've been gone, they've been shooting up the town, causing a ruckus. Blackjack over there. Ooh, Sheriff, there's one of them over there. You're gonna have to do something.
Go round up the boys.
Walk up to the bench there and look at the view. That's where they were hanging, 1882. It's easy to see where the brave men have died. Rope marks on the old tree are now alive. So far away, it makes my lonesome looking on their graves. Their lives been pleasant, never but he's there with the guilty way up on